हेलो गाइस, तो आपका स्वागत है। तो मैं आज फिर से पढ़ने जा रहा हूँ द वॉरेन बुफेट वे, चैप्टर 5 सिग्मा इवेंट, पेज 5। सो लेट गेट स्टार्ट। व्हाट नाउ साउंड्स लाइक एन idyllic childhood took an abrupt 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 sorry guys, again. What now sounded like an idyllic childhood took an abrupt turn when Buffett's father returned home one night to inform the family the bank where he had closed. His job was gone and their savings were lost. The Great Depression had family made its way to Omaha. Buffett's grandfather, the grocery store owner, gave Hogwarts money to help support his family. Fortunately, the scenes of hopelessness did not last long. Hogwarts Buffett soon pulled himself up and got back on his feet, announcing that Buffett, Skaldic and Company had opened for business at the Union Estate building of Foreman Street, the same street where Buffett would someday buy a house and start his investment partnership. The effect of the Great Depression, albeit brief, was hard on Buffett's family. It also made a deep and profound impression on young Reed, where he immigrated from those first hard years with an absolute drive to become very, very, very rich, wrote Roger Lowenstein, author of Buffett, The Making of an American Capitalist. He thought about it before he was 5 years old, and from that time on, he scarcely supported thinking about it. When Buffett turned 10, his father took him to New York. It was a birthday gift Hogwarts gave each of his children. I told my dad I wanted to see their things, said Buffett. I wanted to see the Scott Stamp and Coin Company. I wanted to see that Lion Train Company. I wanted to see that New York Stock Exchange. After an overnight ride on the train, Buffett and his dad made their way to Wall Street, where they met with at Mall, a member of the change. After lunch, a guy came along with a tray that had all their different kinds of tobacco leaves on it. Recalled Buffett, he make up a cigar for Mr. Mole, who picked out the leaves he wanted, and I thought, this is it. It doesn't get any better than this. A custom-made cigar. Later, Hogwarts Buffett introduced his son to Sandley Wimbreng, a senior partner at Goldman Sachs, then considered the most famous man on Wall Street. Standing a winning of Buffett was memorized by the photography and documents on the wall. He took note of the format original letter, knowledgeful will they were. Written by famous people. तो दोस्तों मैं 6 पेज भी पढ़ने जा रहा हूँ। Well, Hogwarts and suddenly take about financial issue of the day. Buffett was obviously walking announced and around Winberg's office, staring at the artifacts. When it was time to go, suddenly Winberg put his arm around Buffett and Jack jokingly asked him what stock he liked. He had forgotten it all the next day, Buffett recalled, but I remembered it for favor. Every before Buffett traveled to New York, he was already integrated with stock and the stock market. He was a frequent visitor to his dad's brokerage office, where he would start at stock and bond certificate that hugs on well, just like in Sandley Winbring office. Often he would become down the two finger of stairs right into the Harriers upon brokerage firm. Many of the brokers become fond of the Paxkai kind who never seemed to stop asking questions. From time to time, they would allow young Warner to check the prices of stock on the background. On Saturday morning, when the stock exchange was open for 2 hours, Buffett would hang out with his paternal great-uncle Frank Buffett and his maternal great-uncle John Barber at the brokerage office. According to Buffett, Uncle Frank was a perpetual bear and Uncle John was the every optimized bill, each compacted for Buffett's attention with stories of how they thought the would world would unfold. All the while Buffett started stinging ahead at the Translux stock ticker, trying to make sense of the continuously changing stock prices. Each weekend he had the tenders column in bonds. Once he finished reading all the book on his father's bookshelf, he consumed all the investment book at the local library. Son, he began changing stock prices himself, trying to understand the numerical partners that were finishing by his eye. No one was surprised when 11 years old Buffett announced he was ready to buy his first share of stock. However, they were stock where he informed his family he wanted to invest $120 money he had saved for selling soda pop, peanut and magazine. He decided on city service performed one of the father's favorite stock in interested his sister Doris to join him. They each bought their share for an investment of $114.75 each. Buffett had studied the price chart. He was confident. दोस्तों, आज के लिए बस इतना ही, और 7वां पेज नेक्स्ट डे पढ़ेंगे. गुड बाय.